Okay, here you can see we already finished chain with LangGraph. Okay, so now we need to move routers. Okay, so here we can understand LangGraph router with LLM and tools. Okay, so in step first, imagine a conversation flow. Okay, think of AI like a person who can either answer your question directly. Okay, like think of AI like think of AI think of AI like person. Okay, like person who can answer your question directly, or if need a tool like calculator or API. So go get the answer first. Okay, like example, user asks what is 2 plus 2. Okay, here you can see LLM. I need to call the additional tool. Okay, like if somebody asks me question, then I use calculator to calculate numbers, like if it is complex number. So here tool add 2 plus 2 and return 4. Okay, and LLM send 4 back to the user. Okay, so this is the conversation flow. Okay, so how router works? Okay, so router equals to the decision maker. Okay, what is router? Router is a decision maker. It decide should I answer directly or should I call a tool first. Okay, so without router, LLM might just say I call the tool, but not do anything. Okay, without router, LLM might say I will call the tool but not do anything, and with router, LLM automatically call the tool. LLM automatically call the tool and get the result and response. Okay, so here you can see in the flow like a user. This is the user input, and this is the LLM nodes. Okay, so does LLM need a tool? Yes. If yes, then call the tool and return the result. Okay, return the result. And here you can see if we give you answer by using tool, and then it call a tool and return the result, and it pass to the LLM, and LLM generate the answer to you and it will end. Okay, so if it does not use any kind of tool, then it will give you direct response. This is the final answer to the user. So here you can see LLM nodes the AI deciding what to do, call tool, execute the function like adding and numbers. Call tool means. Okay, so final answer, the response sent back to the user here. And step 4 key ideas: LLM like a brain, and tool hands do specific tasks like adding number or fetching news. Okay, and router manager decide whether to use hands or just talk. Okay, so when people say LLM plus tool plus router, LLM plus tool plus router is equals to agent. What is agent? Combine of LLM, tool and agent. Sorry, LLM, combination of LLM, tools and router. It's called a agent. It's just a mean the AI can now think, decide and act automatically. So this is called a agent. Okay, so router, what is the router? Router are just, routers are, with the help of routers, we can decide, AI can decide that we can call tool or not. Okay, and here without router, LLM call the tool but not do anything. LLM say I will call the tool but do not do anything, and with router it automatically call the tool and get the response. Okay, I hope you like my video. Bye bye.